I love our Riley.
I make Riley so sad.
The heart range of gold and the flame in her soul. I make Riley do the ah. Ew, we're not eating that broccoli. No way. Oh, I think I'm working myself out too fast, causing too many problems in Riley's mind. Also, making her feel stressed out too much. Even the smallest emotion can make the biggest difference. I want your hair. Embarrassment, shyest, but always tries. Ennui, what you would call the boredom. And a like fear might be fierce brother one day, or maybe it already is. We are all of Riley's emotions. Inside out one to inside out two. So far,